Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. For this bonnet, we'll start with a flat circle. Rounds 1 through 7 are the same as before, so please refer to my last tutorial for details. After round 7, the circle measures about 18 centimeters, which fits a head size of 55 to 57 centimeters. For a larger size, add one more round. Now, let's begin the stitch pattern. Chain 3. This will count as your first double crochet. Now, work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. Next, skip 1 stitch, and in the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Skip 1 stitch again, and in the next stitch, work 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern all the way around. When you reach the end, join with a slip stitch into the third chain to close the round. For round 2, we'll work into the spaces between the 2 double crochets from the previous round. Chain 3. This counts as your first double crochet. Now, work 1 double crochet into the space between the 2 double crochets from round 1. Then, in the next space between the next set of double crochets, work 2 double crochets into that space. Repeat this pattern all the way around. At the end, join with a slip stitch into the third chain to close the round. Rounds 3 and 4 are worked the same as round 2. Chain 3, then work 1 double crochet into the first space. Next, make 2 double crochets into the next space. Repeat this across the round, and at the end of the round, join with a slip stitch. Now, let's move on to round 5. In round 5, we're following the same pattern as in rounds 3 and 4. But this time, don't join with a slip stitch at the end. When you reach the end, turn your work, and let's begin row 6. Row 6 is worked the same as round 5. Chain 3 to start, then work 1 double crochet into the first space. Then, make 2 double crochets into the next space. Repeat this across the row, then turn your work and start the next row. Crochet until the bonnet reaches your desired length. Now, let's finish it off with the final border. Start with 2 chains. Then work 1/2 double crochet into the first stitch. In the same stitch, work 2 double crochets. Important, work into the V-stitch at the top, not into the space between the double crochets. Next, skip 2 stitches, and in the third stitch, make a slip stitch. Then, chain 2, and work 1/2 double crochet into the same stitch. Follow this with 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern around. Now, let's make the tassels. Start by chaining 17 stitches. Then, work into the third chain from the hook, and make 4 unfinished double crochets. Yarn over once, and pull through all the loops on your hook. Chain 17 again. Once more, work into the third chain from the hook, and repeat the same stitch. 4 unfinished double crochets. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. Continue repeating this pattern until the tassel reaches the length you like. When you're finished, cut the yarn and secure the end with a knot. Repeat this for the remaining tassels, and once that's done, your bonnet is complete. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.